Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Ruth. Today I'll be teaching you how I prepare my fried rice. This is my meat. I have my chicken in the pot. I put my diced onion. I put my curry. I'm going to put my ginger powder and my salt. You check the salt that you're putting as it. Then I'm going to put 2 cubes of Maggi cube, 2 Maggi cube to boil my meat. Alright, I put my cube, then I'll mix it together, you can see, and I'll allow it to cook for like 30 minutes or depend, because the chicken is very strong chicken. Okay, and I will be right back. My fried rice, I have to sorry my darling, I have to wash my rice with hot water. You can see how hot is the water, so I can parboil, I can cook the rice before I'll start up with the fried rice. Okay guys, I've added some blended pepper that I blend because I like blending them. I blend it not too smooth so that the fried rice will come out, some peppery should come out from it. Then I'm going to mix my meat stock on the fried rice, then leave it to cook for 30 or depend on the time it's ready for me to start preparing the fried rice. I add some curry to it so that it will bring the brown gold look. You can see I put my seasoning. I will allow it to cook very well before I start the fried rice. This is the final result of my fried rice. I've finished boiling it. Look, and it's cooked. Then I have my oil in the fire. I want it to be hot because I used to fry my rice. I don't do it little by little. You see it. Just stay tuned and watch. These are my ingredients: my carrots, my bell pepper, I've sliced them, my gizzard, and my green beans. And I'm still going to put in some curry and seasoning cube to make it taste. Now I'm going to be putting my gizzard, little of my gizzard. I'm going to put my carrots, not much, little, and let it fry. You see how the oil is much. You see how it is. I use a lot of oil to fry my fried rice. I let it fry. After then, I'm going to put my bell pepper, part of my bell pepper, and my green beans. That's it. Then I'll add some seasoning cube for it to taste good. I had some curry, little curry. Then I allow it fried rice. We are frying everything. Okay. You can see it's fried. Then I put my rice inside because I'm frying the rice. I put my rice inside for it to fry. You can see. I put my rice and fry it. Frying. You can see the oil is much than the rice. You can see it's frying it. Fried it for like 2 minutes. See how it is. It looks so nice. I've not even bring it out because I'm frying it. You fry it for 2 minutes. Then I have my pizza here. I turn it in the pizza. See? 2 minutes is down. You can see it. This is the fried rice. Look how it is. Very nice. You can see. When you leave it here in the freezer before you finish the next part of the fried rice. Then this one, the oil would have finished coming down. What I like doing, I covered it to fry for like 30 seconds. It will fry for 30 seconds. I open it. Look, it's frying. You can see the way it's frying. You now turn it. When you turn it, this is fried rice by its darling sister. So you guys should try it and you'll see how it is. Then you turn it in the big fry pan for the oil to go down. Don't be scared when you are thinking about the oil. No, don't be scared. The oil will go down. You will not see the oil inside the fried rice again. And immediately, because you are still going to be using the pot, immediately you put the pot here in your you don't use your iron sponge to bring it down. It's going to come out immediately because it's still hot. You can see. You wash it very well. You still put it in the fire. You are using it again. Okay. You can see it's the oil that comes out from the fried rice. From the one I I first did. That is the same oil I'm still going to use to do the next one. Don't think that you'll be buying, you have a lot of oil to change. No, use the same oil that comes out from the one in the filter. It's the same oil I'm using, and then when it filtered, then I turn it in the fry pan, because it's the same oil we are still going to use to the final result of the fried rice. Thanks. Now, result of the rice is a full bowl of rice I just prepared, and this is my turkey and chicken that I used. I'm ready to eat this is the final results of the chicken and fried rice with some cucumber on it. Thanks guys for watching, and God bless you. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for your like, thanks for your comments. It's giving me ginger in my head. You give me more comments so that I'll feel so blessed and so happy to give you another recipe. Thanks very much. Love you guys. You guys should stay safe, because this coronavirus pandemic is really killing a lot of people. We should stay safe, wash our hands, and stay safe. Bye. Thanks guys. Bye bye.